Yeah, man, YouTube. Morning. And me again, you know. Your girl Debbie from down a yard. Yeah, man. Manners and respect. Yeah? Alright? A Sunday, you know. And I'm in the kitchen with them. You understand? And you see right about now, me I go ask you a question. You subscribe yet? Because you see when me I don't do ya so, I want to be subscriber them request it, you know, so you know right away we on to it. We not lay. You understand? So, first and foremost, before we even go to that, we have to bust a blank for the sweet Holy Spirit. So yeah, hear me not for my kitchen, me not left him out, you know. So yeah, hear me? Manners and respect. Yeah. Saltfish fritters. Jamaican saltfish fritters. You know I say fritters are fritters we say. Watch this. Yeah, in that this I have here, so I have 3 cups. I know I like measure business now, so I just measure it also. 3 cups of flour I have in that. Yeah. We have some saltfish we pick up here. So you see that saltfish now? We pick it up, you know. Look on it there. See there? We pick it up. Yeah. So we are going to drop in some. Right? This saltfish you don't put it in no hot water. You just put it for soak, preferably overnight. Tear off the skin just like us, no hot water. Pick it up, make sure you take out all of the bone because this have glitters. Yeah? Scoop him in. In there. Yeah. See it? We have some scallion and some scotch bonnet pepper in there. We have some tomato right in. You see fritters? We have some garlic where we are going to grate them. I'm going to pinch up the little, pinch out the little edge here. Whoops. I'm your little girl. We grate her in a little garlic. Yup. Right in there. Yes. Some black pepper, a little black pepper. Look how good I look because fritters that you have in black pepper. And you're starting, not more, you don't want nothing more in a saltfish fritters. So we are going to start mixing up first. Get all the little something here, incorporated in the dry flour. But in the meantime, we are going to chop with flame. You understand? I'm going to use some water, yeah, for blend and read. But we are get them little wet something here, round in the little dry something here. Now try what I water one time in a little, you know, you say, alternately. Well, we say little. See him there? Tell them about that spoon here, you know. Look more water. And I want my oil too at that when it drop in a heat, you know. You have to sight when it starts pop like a dandish and the please. You see? Because when that get hot, and little water get in it, and you pop in. Pop. We start beat now. Some people put a egg, break an egg, and put bacon. Me not do them thing, the mama. So me know if it has made. Right. Story, ma. Remember me no ramp with the story, you know. You don't know that too. But look here. Can't put him in yet, you know, the saltfish salt. So sometimes the saltfish soak out too much and we don't have enough salt. So watch it now. I feel fritters in and people sitting and feel it sitting. You just go so. Ain't good. But we are going to take a acid back in 9. Acid. See me? Also fritters butter for look. See there? Sunday morning breakfast at Jamaica in the kitchen, yeah? Fritters. Cause ready. Now chop with flame. Yeah, go taste him. Can't click on more. Yes, I tell you right away, you know. I want my subscriber them right away request the saltfish because you know. You have a friend from high school, you know. Nah, call her name. She know pick up yourself anyway you're there. I don't know when you're here, so she there and she could have subscribed and said in for your request and right away we are doing. You understand? You think I hear so she there? I know you so far. Yo. She there chaka who blow mother dapsy blue all that there so she there and see it here for your request here. You know pot. You see that little test player? We take him out, car. You don't figure long back. Whoop! You see the aisle, you see the heat, you see the heat. Watch me now. In 1. 2. Give them a little space. If they join, you know, when they done fry them crispy, you just broke them off. When you say crispy, we say crispy. 3. 4. Patia look like he can't hold 5. 5. And look here. We know if we run flitters spot. So watch here. We have put one little mini one in our middle there. So boom. Yep. Flitters are frying. Not chop your flame. Listen to me now. Sunday morning and some breakfast we are look about around here. You hear me say? I like them same thing I come out every day. So I talk to you. If you don't subscribe to the channel, start right about now. Get up out on no bed. Go up on YouTube. Type in West Indian Delights. And I'm dirt. Yeah. Yeah. So as we go along, we clean up a working space. You see? Because we don't like too much mechanics. We don't say mess, we say meke. Right. But you can't clean and now watch, you know. Remember say, this little girl here, she over here, so you don't want anything burning. Burn up pan and sitting there. See her over here, so you watch her because she have to go prep. She not quite ready yet. She not quite ready yet at all. So as you go along, you look. If she are going like she wants stick, I this up on here, so maybe it has non-stick and so me see it come. So you think me that she wear? Watch this. Hold on there. Hold on there. Hold on there. All we have one there, so we have the remedy feed, yeah, so. You see me? Careful how you turn her, you know. You hear there? Careful. Because I'm telling about the popping up and the hiding now, no. Yes, I'm not here. I could know I do dandy shandy. Careful now what you do in the kitchen. I've arrived little. You try it all. Oh, because the woman I wait for her flitters then. Yeah, that little one that they go in last. I'm going up somewhere. You watch me, you know, because we can't angle to ourselves in the kitchen, you know. So, give me a boy a stick. Over. Right over. And if you see the color. So, you know, here, Mr. Tuno, you don't want nothing more in a flitters butter. What want to see me put? Alright. Zoom in on that there and show them how flitters looking up at when it's frying down at Jamaica. Yeah. As so flitters be looking up at when flitters are frying. All in the nice way you don't have to make in our kitchen way now. Yep. Yes, once you see you drop them in a pot, you can't go nowhere too far in it. You're going to get yourself in a trouble. But I watch how you see them look greasy. Don't worry yourself. We have something to combat them over there, so we don't come out diaper. All you try do. Try see if you can get them turned. Now this a little mini one here. Come on, yes, I feel Pitney. Pitney we just start. I push up 2 teeth. Make sure not bone in it, you know. I feel them little one this. Because I fry. And look here. Look here. If you mix up too much, not really too much, you know, but if you feel like you mix up a certain amount, but a family of 4 me have, you know, so me have to love this little, you see, mama. So if you, once you're done, and you see like you have excess, but then you see like you don't want no more, you just get your nice little canister, scrape it out. I'm gonna label it. It is in your freezer when you're ready again. Before you have a fry some more fritters, you just take it up overnight, put it in the cooler part of the fridge. At that time into it. Right over here. Right over here. And little white. Full, ugly color flickers them. Look, listen to me now. Listen to me. A flickers will say. But I watch not me, you know. Cause we want them come crispy. You go see. You go see where we are talking about. Up and over. I said, I should have put in a little boy and a little picnic. If I'm going them, I get trouble. You know, the other reason I be able to be a trouble, you give me for me. Yo. I'm going to give you away. Now I'll keep you. Like. Flickers enough. Flickers ready. So we have a paper towel here. Or a hand towel. Or a napkin. Anything. Flickers ready. Yep. Flickers done. Them there. Grease, me know, no problem with you, know. Oh, it's a problem. Flickers ready. So yeah. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. I remember I look boy in there, we couldn't look up but you might some never that game with 5. See it there? See there? Flickers, and let me ask you one question. All of you know about flickers. What kind of saltfish flickers can ready without so hard dough bread and butter? Boom! Yup. And we not done. You think we done? We just a come. We not done. We just a come. Notch up your flame, yeah, so. 1 keg of coffee tea. Zoom in pan him there, sir. Yeah. See there? See there, YouTube? See there. Jamaican saltfish fritters. Hard dough bread with butter and 1 keg of coffee tea. Remember me tell you. Yo, get up out on the bed. Run to the subscription. Subscribe. Thumbs up that video, yeah. And remember, anything you want to hear, anything you want to know, write it in the comment section. And if you don't care, write it dry. Because you want, I have to go near one of them right now, you know, I'm not telling them tempting bad. So I may sign out, you know. Debbie from down a yard.